Hi, my name is Sarah. Today, I want to tell you a story about my day. It was a little funny, a little stressful, but I used many interesting sentences. These are useful sentences for daily life. I will explain where and how we use them. Let's begin. Well done. This morning, I woke up very early. I cleaned my room because it was a little messy. I made my bed neatly and arranged my books on the shelf. After that, I went to the kitchen and prepared breakfast for my family. When my mom came into the kitchen, she looked at everything. She saw the clean room and the breakfast on the table. She smiled at me and said, "Well done, Sarah. You worked very hard." We say well done when someone finishes a job successfully. For example, if your friend finishes their homework perfectly, you can say, "Well done." If your classmate solves a difficult problem in math, you can say, "Well done." Well said. At breakfast, my dad told a joke. It was very funny. Everyone laughed loudly. After that, my mom added a funny comment about the joke. My dad smiled and said, "Well said." We use well said when someone says something smart, correct, or funny. For example, if your friend explains an idea clearly, you can say, "Well said." If someone gives a good answer to a question, you can say, "Well said." You can say that again. After breakfast, I looked outside the window. It was raining very hard. I said to my brother, "Wow, it's a terrible day to go outside." He looked at me and laughed. Then he said, "You can say that again." We use "you can say that again" to agree with someone. For example, if your friend says, "This pizza is delicious," you can say, "You can say that again." If your mom says, "The weather is very cold today," you can say, "You can say that again." Could not be better. Later, I called my best friend Emma. I wanted to know how she was doing. I asked, "How are you, Emma?" She sounded very happy. She said, "I could not be better, Sarah. I got a new job yesterday." We use could not be better when we are very happy or when everything is perfect. For example, if someone asks, "How is your vacation?" you can reply, "It could not be better." If someone asks, "How is your new house?" you can say, "It could not be better." Congratulations. When Emma told me about her new job, I felt so happy for her. I said, "Congratulations, Emma. You really deserve it." We say congratulations when we want to celebrate someone's success. For example, if your sister graduates from university, you can say, "Congratulations." If your friend wins a sports game, you can say, "Congratulations. Good luck with that." Emma told me more about her new job. She said it was exciting, but she also said it might be a little difficult. I smiled and said, "Good luck with that, Emma. I know you will do great." We use "good luck with that" to wish someone success with something challenging. For example, if your brother has an important exam, you can say, "Good luck with that." If your friend starts a new project at work, you can say, "Good luck with that." I am truly impressed. In the afternoon, I visited my friend Mike. He showed me a painting he made. It was so beautiful. I looked at it carefully and said, "Wow, Mike, I am truly impressed. This is amazing work." We say, "I am truly impressed" when we see something very good or beautiful. For example, if someone sings a song perfectly, you can say, "I am truly impressed." If your friend writes a great story, you can say, "I am truly impressed." I am in trouble. After leaving Mike's house, I remembered something. I forgot to do my homework. I felt worried and said, "Oh no. I am in trouble. My teacher will be so angry tomorrow." We say, "I am in trouble" when something bad happens or we make a mistake. For example, if you lose your wallet, you can say, "I am in trouble." If you forget to bring an important document to a meeting, you can say, "I am in trouble. I am going to freak out." That evening, I looked for my homework notebook. I searched in my bag, on my desk, and under my bed, but I could not find it. I started to panic and said, "I am going to freak out. Where is my notebook?" We use "I am going to freak out" when we feel very stressed, scared, or angry. For example, if you drop your phone in water, you can say, "I am going to freak out." If you lose your house keys, you can say, "I am going to freak out. I am done with your bullshit." Finally, my brother came into my room. He started teasing me about my lost notebook. He laughed and said, "Maybe you left it at school." I was so annoyed. I shouted, "I am done with your bullshit, Jack. Stop making fun of me." We use "I am done with your bullshit" when we feel very frustrated or tired of someone's behavior. For example, if your friend keeps lying to you, you can say, "I am done with your bullshit." If your classmate always makes rude jokes, you can say, "I am done with your bullshit."